Hopefully you can imagine yourself walking across the stage at graduation. In order to do so, there are certain requirements that must be fulfilled.
First, you'll need to take 24 credits. 16 of those credits will be in your core classes, and 8 credits will be from electives. Next, you'll have to take some tests. Then, you'll need a CCRI. And, of course, you'll need to do some paperwork.
First, we're going to talk about how many credits you need and the required classes that you'll need to take. You'll need 24 credits. Of those 24 credits, 4 of them have to come from English. Each year, you'll take an English class. English 9, English 10, English 11, English 12, or their equivalents in advanced or AP. Math is another core class. You'll need 4 credits of math. Everyone has to take geometry, algebra 1, and algebra 2, plus 1 other qualifying math credit. Spain Park offers advanced classes and AP classes in math as well. In social studies, you'll also need 4 credits. In 9th grade, you'll probably take world history. In 10th grade, you take US History 10. In 11th, US History 11. And then your senior year, you take government one semester and economics the next semester. Spain Park also offers advanced and AP classes in social studies. To get your 4 credits in science, everyone has to take biology, and then one of these science classes, chemistry or physics or physical science, so that's 2, plus 2 other science credits. So you can take one of those chemistry or physics or physical science that you haven't taken yet, or one of the few other science classes that are offered at Spain Park. We also have advanced classes and AP classes in science. After taking 1 credit each year in all of your core classes, you will have 16 of your 24 required credits for graduation. You still need 8 more credits to get to 24. So let's talk about your electives and how you'll earn those 8 credits. You'll need 1 credit of PE or one of its equivalents. Next, you'll need 1 credit of career prep. You also need to have health, which is worth half a credit. For 3 of your electives credits, you have to choose from these different areas. You need 3 total credits from arts and or CTE and or world languages. So, for example, you could take 3 Spanish classes and satisfy this requirement. Or you can take 1 Spanish class, 1 business class, and 1 art class and satisfy this requirement. Or you can take 2 art classes and 1 CTE class. Or you can take 3 art classes. Any combination of electives from these areas will satisfy this requirement as long as you have 3. Finally, you need 2.5 more credits of electives of your choice. Now, once you have all of these, you'll have 8 credits in electives. So you take all of your core classes every year, and then make sure to get all of the electives that you need, and now you have 24 credits by graduation. Probably even more credits than that.
Now we will talk about the tests that you will need to take in order to graduate from high school. You'll take the financial literacy exam. This test is taken during career prep, and it asks questions that are essential to personal finance. As a senior, you will take and pass the civics exam. It tests the fundamental knowledge of the principles and functioning of American democracy and prepares students for their rights and responsibilities of citizens of the U.S.
The next section of the graduation requirements that we'll talk about is called CCRI. This helps make sure that students are ready to go to college, into the workforce, or into the military. You have to earn a College and Career Readiness Indicator, or CCRI, in order to graduate from high school. Here are all of the different ways that you can get your CCRI at Spain Park. You can score a 3 or better on an AP exam, benchmark in any one of these areas on the ACT, earn a credential in a career technical industry, get your CTE completer status, earn college credit in high school, be accepted into the military before graduation, or earn a silver or higher on the Work Keys exam. There's a whole video in the playlist just about CCRI, so check it out if you need more information. Part of growing up is realizing how much paperwork there is to do. It's now required to fill out FAFSA, or to fill out paperwork that says that you're not going to fill out FAFSA. FAFSA is an application to find out if you are eligible for federal student aid.
So that's it. That's all you need to do to graduate. You need 24 credits. You need to take the financial literacy exam, pass the civics test, earn a CCRI, and fill out the paper for FAFSA, or fill out the paperwork that says that you're not going to fill out FAFSA. We can't wait to see you toss your caps at graduation.